Hey everyone, I'm Lisa from the Yohos. Today is part 2. Yes, part 2. So thank you to anybody who is returning to see this a little refinishing journey, and it has been a journey, let me just tell you. And if you're new here and you haven't seen the first part, then I'll have that link below so you can check it out, because you guys, this has been a process, and anybody who has refinished furniture knows that it's a big job. A really big job. And I'm calling this a labor of love because I'm going to be very honest. I'm not sure that I would ever do this again to this capacity. Let's go there. I'm enjoying it, but I'm learning so much, and it's kind of so many roadblocks that you do get over. I mean, I've not really done this before to this capacity, but I've done and refinished furniture before, and I've watched so many videos on it, you guys, that it kind of just came back to me, and I just kind of worked it through. It's going to be worth it though. I'm just keep telling myself I am almost done. I'm in the final stretch. Today is the last day. Fingers crossed. The weather looks good outside. I think I'm ready to roll here. What I'll do through this video is I'll just explain little things along the way, or I'll just put up some text so you can just kind of watch the process and you don't hear me yammer on about the same thing over and over and over. It's just basically a lather, rinse, repeat situation. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It feels like it's been like 40 years that I've been working on this thing. I'm excited though. Let's just come along this journey with me. Okay. Today is, well, the start of second week working on this sideboard of my grandma's, well, my great grandma's, my great oma's technically. It's beautiful outside. I'm gonna put my tunes in. I'm just gonna pick away at it and should be good. The hair needs to go up though, because she's hot all of a sudden. That's the thing here with spring in Ontario. It literally flips overnight. Sometimes it flips and then flips back again. So we're hoping that's not what it's doing, but right now it is beautiful out. Have a look. Oh, and by the way, we haven't done anything with our backyard yet, so moving on. So I got this can online, and actually the top was crunched, so I was a little leery about opening this can. Who knows with these things? It was fine. It just kind of splattered everywhere. Of course it did. It's just going to be one of those days. So I've realized that once you put the paint remover on, just leave it alone. Just put the plastic over top and try to make it as thick as possible, because this stuff dries out really fast, you guys.
Going on, eh?
Nothing. Just stripping.
Stripping away, huh?
Yeah.
You really should get paid more money for this. It's beautiful outside. Glad we can see the scraggly grass in the background, so I'm reminded to cut it.
Yeah, that's funny. I'm not sure what that noise is, but let's just be quick about this. Oh, the backyard has so many little flowers. Anyways, so this is I don't even know what day we're on here, but I'm about to sand the holy heck out of this thing. So wish my back luck and my arms. And welcome to the sanding montage. I like my shirt too. I love getting stuff to embarrass my kids. It's like my job in life, pretty sure of it. Yeah. Pretty sure of it. Ooh, that grass needs to be cut. Something fierce. I'm gonna go look at the garden after. Random thoughts by me. 5,000. I'm not even sure what day it is. Oh, this thing is killing me, honestly. It's a lot of work. I know I've said that and it always sounds like I'm complaining. This is my choice to do this, but I thought I was done with the paint stripper. But I am not. I cannot for the life of me get a couple of spots off, and I'll show you what I'm dealing with. Obviously the legs, but this back piece here too, look. So all of this, I've sanded the heck out of it. It shouldn't take much because it's now like raw, but oh, and this door, I can't. Like it's like, first of all, I can't get it off because it is chunky in there. Like it is totally, holes are covered and I'm over it. So I'm just going to leave it and work around it. And yeah, I'm not doing the inside. I'm just going to paint the inside a nice fresh coat of something. I'm not sure what color yet, but these are the legs too. This one's haven't even really started, but this I sanded and it's actually coming out quite nicely, but it's a chore, you guys. It's a chore. I have gotten smarter though with this little table. It's a whole lot easier than picking stuff off the ground or trying to balance it on that ledge back there. Yeah, I think this might do some damage, but I'm gonna try it. We'll see. It's the worst that can happen. Anyways, all right, and these are my three strippers. Yeah, and my plant needs some daylight here because she's a hurting unit. It's gonna be a busy day. That was a fail. Oh, you guys, it's coming along so nicely though. It's almost done. Whew. It's giving me a hard time here. So I'm just keep telling myself I am almost done. I'm in the final stretch. Such an important step before you get to wood conditioning or putting any kind of top coat on. You really want to wipe this down really, really well to get every little speck of dust off from all that sanding. So I figured, I don't know if I should have put this wood conditioner on beforehand, but I'm thinking, you know what? This piece is super dry now. There was so many chemicals put on this thing that this can't hurt it. I'm sure of it. Well, I'm not positive, but I did it anyways. Now I'm just going to use a chip brush for this. I don't necessarily really need to wash it out because this stuff's not great to wash out. I believe it is oil-based. Okay, you guys, now I'm in my element here. This is what I know how to do, is wood condition and top coat, clear coat on a piece of furniture. I'm loving this step. Probably because I know the end is near. Did also afterwards use a polyacrylic. Now this is water-based, you guys, and this is a dream to wash out of any brush or sponge, which I actually decided to use as well as the brush because I have it. Why not use it, right? Are you guys getting excited as me to see the end result? Because let me just tell you, the editing Lisa knows that it is pretty frigging awesome, and I'm very excited to show you. Just about 2 more minutes and we'll get there. Because it's polyacrylic, it is water-based, so what it does sometimes is raises like the little pores of the wood a little tiny bit, so you can kind of feel them after the one coat. So you'll want to sand that off very, very gently. We're not doing any damage here, just a very light one. Get rid of those little bumps and then put another coat on. And again, lather, then rinse, and then repeat, like I said. I'm so excited. This is almost done. Ooh. I actually had all of this hardware just stashed in my stash, the hoardy McGee that I am. And you know what? This is going to come in very handy. Let me tell you, I'm taking a couple of these little guys. They're kind of like a handle plate. And I'm also taking a couple of these knobs and I'm just going to modify them a little bit because I do know that I have whistle knobs for the top drawer. And I just want to kind of make them all a family. And one of my favorite ways to do this is with spray paint. Oh, love me a good spray paint sesh. He manhandled the screw.
That's right. He didn't stand a chance.
This is exciting. This is a dream. Like, seriously a dream. Mark!
What?
This is a dream! Always wanted a folding table. It's one happy girl. So worth it. So worth it. Okay, you guys, before I show you the final reveal, I want to say thank you for joining and we'll see you in the next video. See inside? There, look. It's nice. It's just made laundry doing a whole lot funner.